Today we're fixing a broken laptop screen, Hinge, how it's connecting. Okay, let's look at that. So I had a friend who had a laptop and it had been, someone had taken it apart, and what they did was they basically kind of ripped the screen off, and where the hinge meets the screen, there are these little, let me pull them up here, a couple of them. These little brass little pieces, and these are molded into the plastic of the laptop, right? So they're molded into the top of this plastic of the screen, and once you rip these things out, you can't glue them back together. You're not going to epoxy them back in there somehow and then have them work and be at the right angle and all that. So what I did was I went down to the hardware store and I found some of these basic screws like this these are number 4 40 by 1/2, 8 pieces there, and these are number 4 40 by 3/4. I didn't know what length I was going to need. You know, when you're looking inside the computer and everything, you don't know how big it's going to need to be. So I also made sure to pick up some Loctite thread locker. This is the removable kind, in case we ever wanted to remove that, the permanent kind. If you had to like replace the actual screen at some point, if you're going to continue making repairs on this, then this is the blue 242 thread locker, just to make sure that this is done. So if you can see in here, right here, there are two little nuts. There's 2 nuts here. And if I move my camera around over to this side, back here, there are also 2 nuts kind of over here on this side. So if I look at the back, let's flip this up and look at the back of the laptop here. And what this is right here, so we can see on the back, that's the screws going through. I've had to take, my drill here, drill through the plastic and drill down. So then I take the screws, stick them through the back right there, and then that allows me to put, let's go back to the front, put these nuts on right there and screw those down, tighten those down. I've got thread locker on them already and stuff, so that binds and places the hinge onto the laptop. You have to make sure when you're drilling through that there are no electronic components underneath there, that nothing is there that you're actually going to be drilling through. So, but once it gets on there, if I look at the laptop screen, it works just fine. I mean, it's gonna be able to open and close just like it did when it was new. And granted, this is like it's probably a at least 6-year-old laptop, and if all you got to deal with is these couple little screws sticking out the back that hold it together, and everything else works, then I'm saying that's good. You're not wasting your money on buying a new system or anything like that. You've got a laptop that's good to go and it's going to work. So I just got to finish building this, putting it back together. Somebody else had tried to replace the fan and didn't know how to put it all back together, so I've been doing that as well. But that's what I did to fix the hinge for the screen, and it looks like it's going to work out. I may get some deeper or thicker rubber pieces for the feet in the back here so that these aren't sitting on a counter. I also have a Dremel. I might Dremel the top of them off and kind of get them a little bit more flush to the computer without going too far. All right. So there you go. That's a quick and easy repair. I mean, I think the expensive thing was the thread locker. I think that was $7. I mean, these 2 sets of screw things were, $2 a piece. So it's not a huge investment to get a laptop that's gonna continue working. All right. Well, thanks for watching this. If you have any other questions, if you have any other laptop repairs, I do different laptop repairs from time to time. Go ahead and comment down below and ask some questions. If you like this video and any of my other videos, like, share, subscribe. Of course, share things on YouTube because that's what gets people to come and see the videos. If you think this video will help somebody out, share it to them, and then they can benefit from it as well. All right? Well, thanks for watching. Take care.